Are you tired of continuously purchasing the same PLR products just to discover that they're out of date or otherwise unsatisfactory? What if you can have a way to obtain reusable and resellable goods that were always current? If you want to have a software that lets you build your own empire of digital goods, stick around to discover what it is about and get a special deal for you and your business. Introducing PLRlime. It is an online catalog with a wide assortment of finished products with store brand rights and resell rights. It also allows you to rebrand and sell the items so that you can use them for your own company and clients. You can get hassle-free access to PLR content that you can proudly use in your company. You can sell or use as your very own content by using digital assets that enables you to launch a business or scale your existing business. Plus, you can download everything you want whenever you like ebooks, video courses, audio courses, guides, and more. You can be certain that PLRlime will keep you up to date on the most recent developments in your industry because it uploads new goods every single day. Best of it all, you won't have to be concerned about being out of sync. You can locate things that are already assembled and ready for resale. Plus, you'll be able to keep your customers delighted with the most recent information because they are constantly updated. Every day, new content is updated, so you can always access the most recent information for your consumers. All of its products come with extended licenses, so you can use them wherever you'd want. You can be guaranteed to find something pertinent to your niche because it offers a wide range of products. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get a very special deal just by clicking on the link below. What are you waiting for? PLRlime is a great place to find ready-to-use material. Try it now. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.